small, quiet neighborhood square, where you're now watching a Buckeye police officer roll up and jump out to confront a 14-year-old boy with autism.
What's going on?
Teen investigator Dave Biskobing is the only
doing some
Valley
sort of
reporter with
inhalant
all
drug.
of the
Harassing,
evidence. He's pressing
dating,
Buckeye.
throwing.
We are Trustle, and our mission is to mitigate negative encounters between people with communication disorders and law enforcement. We recently won the 2019 Inventors Challenge, and we are incredibly thankful to AT&T, Imagination.org, and Project Invent for giving us a platform and empowering us to bring about social change in high school.
Our original inspiration was Larry, one of our community partners. Larry is a young adult with autism who had to spend the night in a police station after a misunderstanding. The cops had simply stopped to check on him and make sure he was alright, but due to Larry's mind shutting down in the high-stress encounter, he was unable to communicate. We also considered the other side through our discussions with Sergeant Hester, a police officer at UNT dedicated to helping people with communication disorders stay safe and confident.
Our proposed system consolidates these different necessities into a modular 3D printed device with preloaded information for medical professionals. After face authentication, a police officer can scan the device with a mobile application and get all the critical information he or she needs without even approaching the person. The officer can also update the database, making the system dynamic compared to existing ID cards that are carried by people with communication disorders. Other functionalities, such as audio recording of the encounter and GPS tracking of the device, give the person with the communication disorder and their family more confidence and security.
I still remember going to the TAMS school fair last year and watching Trustle present as they looked for preliminary feedback on their ideas. Now they have pitched their designs at Stanford for the Project Invent Demo Day, as well as won the Inventors Challenge. It is amazing to see how driven high schoolers can use skills they learn from school for social justice.
Trustle has been an amazing journey, but we are far from done. We hope to continue bridging divides in society through technology, perhaps even in other contexts such as the classroom or workspace. We hope that more than solving a major problem in our community, our product also brings to light how technology can be used to circumvent our inevitable human biases.